everybody, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I'm here to share my little prize pack that I got for being one of the ticket holder winners for back in February for the Secret Not Secret scrap party that was happening. I just received all my March and my April kit, and this came with it, and I'm really excited. I was expecting something completely different, so it was a very lovely surprise to get this as well. I think Christina knows that I've been drooling over this collection a little bit, but I haven't really asked for it yet, so it was nice to have just hints of it because I do like it, but I'm not sure if I would have gotten the whole collection. So to start off, she sent me an awesome scrapbooking and cards magazine. I have not had an actual scrapbooking magazine in my home in many, many years. So I'm very excited to flip through this and look at it. It does look like she sent me the entire ephemera pack, the entire thing, guys, of the Maggie Holmes. So this is the Flourish collection. It's beautiful. I'm so excited to play with this. This alone would have been a prize to me. Like, I love it so much. But nope, she didn't stop there. I also received the beautiful stickers, the collection, which is lovely and sometimes really hard to find, so that's fun. And then she included for me the exclusive scrapbook.com, some of the papers here. So there's this beautiful floral with the teal. This one, I love this one, this little kind of swirly thing. I'm sure I could do it myself, but it probably would never turn out the same, right? So there's that one, and the back of it is a beautiful pink. This really, really pretty floral. It's so pretty. I guess you could like watercolor it, right, if you wanted to. It's so pretty. It could be a painting, along with the yellow. Here's some more of the pretty floral, and a darker teal there. This beautiful pink with more of a reddy tone, darker pink maybe. And then this one as well with a lighter pink. So I absolutely love this. Considering I'm not supposed to be shopping, you'll see that next month. I did a little shopping, but I'm not supposed to be. I'm on a spending freeze, and I have not shopped at scrapbook.com, so I will not have any of these. And it was a beautiful surprise to receive, and I love it. So thank you, Christina. It was very sweet of you to include something you knew I wasn't expecting, and I love it very much. If you would like more information, you can head on over to redefinecreative.com. You fill out a little profile thing, and Christina gets in touch with you about how you can become a part of the Secret Not Secret Kit Club. Thanks, everyone, and I will be back soon with some more layouts, including some of my kid stuff. Bye!